A very good evening, Honorable Chief Guest, Rotarian Dr. Bharat S. Pandya, Guest of Honor, Rotarian Dr. K.K. Srivastava, Galaxy of past district governors, my friends, fellow Rotarians, honored guest, family of Rotarians, and presidents and secretaries of other Rotary clubs. It's a great joy to see so many of you here today, celebrating another wonderful installation ceremony of Rotary in the city of Prayagraj, but that too on a different mode. Today we all are here together on a web screen, and that makes this installation ceremony special. Being privileged to moderate today's ceremony, and I feel enthralled to witness all dignitaries present on the screen. Today's ceremony seems so exciting because after so many months, we are able to witness everybody, and it's a welcoming change to see all smiling faces all on one screen. So as the tradition is there in our culture to light a lamp first before the commencement of any event or ritual, because light symbolizes the absence of dark and grief and personifies knowledge. God is an illuminator of all knowledge, and the knowledge removes ignorance just as light removes darkness. So let us prostrate to the light, which is knowledge itself.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते.
With the sanctity of the reverberations of the chanting of the shlok, we begin today's maiden event on a virtual online mode. One friend of mine once dropped in a one-liner. Everything happens for the first time. When COVID-19 peeped in, we went into a state of denial, but with the passage of time, we all have been infused with the acceptability of the new normal. The outgoing team of Rotary Midtown, under the fantastic leadership of Rotarian Yashwant Maheshwari and Secretary Ashish, has traveled a long way outreaching creativity, responsibility, positivity, and communication. The true leadership entails awareness and innovation, which was thoroughly witnessed during the lockdown period when Ankita and Yashwant were busy communicating as team leaders. We never felt that we are away from the Rotary family. Rotarian Ankita Maheshwari, who being the first lady, tackled all of us by boosting us all through the relationship building format. Thank you, Ankita, for being the lighting spirit during this lockdown period. When the silence of the roads was making us creepy, they made us feel boosted by creativity, involving us with innovative team building moves. Apart from this, the session 2019-20 galloped with the unblemished moves of this wonderful team of fellow Rotarians. So let us watch what this leader has to say. Over to Yashwant Maheshwari.
The meeting is called to order. I would like to welcome all dignitaries here. Can the moderator play my welcome speech, please.
Welcome, dear friends, to this 41st installation ceremony of Rotary Allahabad Midtown. On behalf of the club, I extend a very warm greetings to RI Director 2019-21, Rotarian Dr. Bharat Pandya, District Governor of this district, District 3120, Rotarian Dr. KK Srivastav, galaxy of past district governors, presidents, secretaries of other clubs, and our members. Today is the day of reckoning for Rotary year 2019-20. This has been a phenomenal journey for me. It's been a learning phase. It's been exceptional. We have tried to do things very differently, kept involvement of members across ages. We have tried to live up to the Rotary theme for the year, Rotary Connects the World. Rotary has been the first social networking platform, and its reach is beyond Facebook. People do not realize this, but this has immense potential, especially in the current scenario. I have made numerous friends and many brothers from the Rotary family. I have been and grown with this Rotary Allahabad Midtown since 1980 due to my father, who has been a founder member of this club, joining it in 2002. I would like to express my gratitude to the board and all members who showed faith in me and ensured that I had their support and their good wishes for the year. I would like to especially thank certain members who have been more than brothers to me, their guides to me, mentors to me, given full support in various activities throughout the year. I would like to express my gratitude towards certain members who have been a pillar of strength to me during the entire year. Past President Rotarian Gaurav Mohan for the Vanvasi Kalyana Ashram project. Past President Rotarian Neeraj Bhai for the club installation. Rotarian Dr. D.B. Agarwal for the medical camp. PDG Rotarian Pradeep Mukherjee for the new member orientation and being a guide to me during the entire year. Past President Rotarian Sirish Agarwal for being a brother to me during the entire year. Past President Rotarian Abhishek Singh for the fundraising project movie show. Rotarian Samir Agarwal for the Taru plantation project. Rotarian Ritu Kamal Agarwal for being editor and printing out the Midtown Now. Rotarian Smriti Shangu for training young girls at Radha Minter College for karate and self-defense camp. Rotarian Amrita Agarwal for Nation Builders Award. Rotarian Ankur Agarwal and Rotarian Shalini Talwar for the Diwali program. Past President Vinayak Tandon, who has been always an elder brother, a guide to me during the entire year. Without him, I guess I could not have done better. PDG Rotarian Satpal Gulati, always been there for me, guiding me. Rotarian Umang Agarwal, who has always been a brother to me. Rotarian P.P. Agarwal for Radha Raman Inter-College project. P.P. Rotarian Ashish Agarwal for the club assembly. P.P. Rotarian Neeraj Agarwal, who's always been a backup for me. Whenever I needed his assistance, he was always ready to oblige. He has been a brother to me always. Rotarian Dr. Vandana Bansal and Rotarian Arpit Bansal for medical activities. I would like to thank the panelists of CAs, Rotarian Vinay Goyal, Rotarian SK Jaswal, Rotarian Praveen Godbole, Rotarian Amit Agrawal, and Rotarian Saurabh Agrawal for the exceptional program they put up. I would like to express my gratitude towards Rotarian Sanjeev Jain for doing exceptional service during COVID-19. We distributed 500 food packets to families across certain regions. He was also the chairman for the Holi program, which never materialized, and we used the funds for this project. I would like to express my gratitude towards Rotarian Radha Saxena for the yoga camp, Rotarian Saurabh Puri for distribution of masks. Further, I'd like to extend my gratitude towards Rotarian Tarun Savla, Ankur Rastogi, Suresh Kesalwani, Siddharth, Roshan, Harpreet for sponsoring gifts during the entire year. I would like to thank past President Rotarian Arun Bagga for sponsoring 2 girl child and also sending out birthday and anniversary greetings to all members. I would like to thank Rotarian Rajesh Athwani for sending pastries during anniversaries of members. Further, I would like to extend my gratitude to certain members, namely Anand Agrawal, Amit Agrawal, Mahesh Singhania, Abhishek Ranjan Agrawal and Ashish, the club secretary, who have been a pillar of strength to me during the entire year. Without them, I guess I would not have been able to do things as well as I did. I would like to thank my dad, past President Rotarian Rajiv Maheshwari. I hope I did something to live up to your expectation. I would like to thank the First Lady and my better half, Rotarian Ankita Maheshwari. You have done an exceptional service and tried to keep members connected, especially during COVID-19 lockdown when everyone was disheartened. People were disillusioned. You kept them connected, created so many activities for them, kept them involved. I thank you, and the club thanks you from the bottom of my heart. I would like to thank the club assistant Vinod, who has been a permanent fixture with us. Presidents would come and go, but he is one person who is always permanent. Thank you, Vinod. Hope begins in the dark. The stubborn hope that if you just show up and try to do the right things, the dawn will come. You wait and watch the work. You don't give up. I would like to welcome the incoming team of Rotarian Dr. Devya Bartaria and Rotarian Abhishek Agrawal. And I would like to wish them the very best of luck for the year to come. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. It's been a pleasure, a wonderful year. Thank you. Over to Amrita Bhabi.
Thank you, Yashwant, for your humble, your modest words. You dropped in a very beautiful statement. You said that you have been trying to work out with things differently. But let me add on to the beauty of this different things which you did. You never did anything different, but you did different things differently, Yashwant. So a standing applause from all of us on this web screen. You did a commendable job, and the First Lady, being your right hand, should be the better half for all of us in days to come. Ankita, the duty does not end here. You need to be supportive as usual. Thank you so much for a wonderful team. of the president, the secretary, and the first lady. It was a beautiful trio. And Yashwant, you made us feel empowered by sharing the inspiring footsteps of your journey. Not a single member was being missed. It was your dauntless effort and commitment that you knitted us all together. Thank you so much. It is said that no one needs a word processor if he has an efficient secretary. Where the president is the leader, the secretary is the custodian of the club, who brings together the anecdotal records of the year preceding and keeping these formal records of the group's process and decisions. The club experienced the ultimate luxury of combining passion of Yashwant with contribution of Ashish. The enthusiasm with which Ashish works is the difference between mediocrity and accomplishment. Let's find the joy today with Ashish, the club secretary 2019-20, while he shares his journey of being the right hand of the club president.
Good evening, friends. Today, on the occasion of 41st installation ceremony of our club, I take immense pleasure in presenting before you report of our club activities for the year 2019-20. As we all know, the presidential theme for the year 2019-20 was Rotary Connects the World. With this theme in mind and with the idea of connecting with the people we would never otherwise have met and forging deep and lasting ties in pursuit of a common goal of growing our services and improving the impact of our club, we carried out several projects which I would like to showcase before you in the form of a video presentation. Thank you.
Amen.
projects and activities has been such as to keep the members and their family involved and connected, even during these tough times of COVID-19. Our club distributed 500 packets of food items, each sufficient for a family of 4 for 20 days. On behalf of our club, I thank Rotarian Sanjeev Jain for piloting this project. Generosity of our members is worth acknowledging here once again. Our club managed to contribute a total sum of rupees 2,21,000 towards PM Care Fund through Rotary India Humanity Foundation and rupees 25,000 to Asha Kiran. We thank Rotarian Amit Agarwal, Rotarian Abhishek Ranjan, Rotarian Anand Agarwal and Rotarian Dr. Arpit Bansal for being major donors. Several games and activities were organized during the year. MasterChef competition brought to light culinary skills of our members. Members and their family enthusiastically participated in talent hunt competition, which showcased the hidden gems of our club. We express our gratitude towards Ankita Maheshwari, the first lady of our club, for her relentless planning and diligent execution of all these fun activities. We sure enjoyed it a lot. Thank you, Ankita. Our club has initiated repairing and modernization of 4 classrooms of Radharaman Inter College. The work is in progress and should be completed within the next 6 months. The total project outlay will be of rupees 1.8 lakhs and has been provided for. Before I conclude, I would like to thank our club president Yashwant for being so supportive. We share a unique bonding which goes beyond Rotary. We had a great time working together. Thank you Yashwant. And by the way, the song which you heard during my presentation was also sung by Yashwant. Thank you. And now I congratulate and wish our new president, Rotarian Dr. Divya Bartaria and her team all the very best for the upcoming Rotary New Year. Thank you friends.
Thank you, Ashish, for the nostalgic song sung by Yashwant. And it was direct Dil Se. And thank you for making all the memories come alive again on the screen. It's very well said that I have no yesterdays, time took it away. Tomorrow may not be, but I have today. So let's all celebrate today with the memories of yesterdays. And thank you, Ashish. And it is very well said that the perfect optimism is a force multiplier. And your personality outshines it with an ability of yours. Thank you for being a wonderful personification of a goal seeker and the right hand of your president. क्यों डरे कि जिंदगी में क्या होगा? क्यों डरे कि जिंदगी में क्या होगा? हर वक्त क्यों सोचें कि बुरा होगा? बढ़ते रहो मंजिलों की ओर, हमें कुछ मिले या ना मिले। बढ़ते रहो मंजिलों की तरफ, हमें कुछ मिले या ना मिले, तजुर्बा तो नया होगा। This is a well-composed expression which promotes motivation to instill in you a goal-seeking desire for a change. So fellow beings, let us witness a short break well earned on a musical note. The artist invites for unsaid words of appreciation because she is a combo pack of power, energy and personality. Yes, this beautiful nightingale is none other than our club member, Smriti Shanglu. So watch out and stay tuned and hear one of her inspirational copyright. You may have heard this original track, but she has recreated her copyright.
सब पे तू ही
serene, pious, and a beautiful voice with a beautiful face, with a beautiful soul, which is a joy forever. Now, taking today's program to a leap, let's first get on to something which I wanted to share, that is success. Steve Jobs says, success depends on the second letter of the word, that is you. I repeat, success depends upon the second letter, that is you. So let me share today why I took this adjective, versatility. Because being the moderator of today's installation ceremony, I chose my subject to be Divya. Yes, when I experience a company, I get a feel, a new thought, an arduous commitment, and a woman of substance. A lady with minimum words, but with maximum throw, being visionary, with no hanky-panky gestures, a pleasing soul, and a virtuous leader. Whatever I am sharing today is direct dil se, but yes, the former proceeding do demand her credentials to be shared with all of you. They go as Dr. Divya Bhattaria is an academician, career counselor, and a motivational speaker who envisages keen interest in doing various social, educational, and business projects and research at national and international level for organizational growth, business development, and human development in a broader sense. Currently, she is heading the Corporate Relations Center, United Group of Institutions, Prayagraj, and is the founder of Career Mates. Her professional experience is based on research, teaching administration, training, and guidance and counseling services. Adding more to it, she is a PhD in chemistry and has also completed her Master's in Science, Master's in Education, and Diploma in Management. Apart from various certifications, Divya holds a certification in Global Career Counseling from the University of California, Los Angeles, and a Green Belt certification from Global Career Counseling from University of Singapore. Divya is a topper throughout, a gold medalist and a recipient of Young Scientist Award 2008 for her best research presentation on the 10th conference of the International Academy of Physical Sciences, which was held at GG University, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. She was also awarded by Aspiring Minds as the Career Guru of the Month 2019 for the special contribution towards students' career development and organizational growth. She has more than a dozen publications in journals of national and international repute. Dr. Divya has been a successful TEDx speaker and has given several lectures and talks on various platforms which are published on YouTube. Currently, she has 4 prime work areas of focus. As the head of Corporate Relations Center, she aims to work for the educational and career development of students and henceforth overall growth for the organization. As the founder of Career Mates, she aims to provide her educational and career counseling services to the youth and career aspirants. As a certified trainer of Value Education Cell, AKTU, Lucknow, she aims to spread human values and professional ethics all around. As a proud Rotarian, I repeat, as a proud Rotarian, she aims to serve the society and humanity. Her latest accomplishment in Rotary International District 3120 include the Gold Secretary Award for the year 2018-19 by Governor Citation Rotary International District 3120, Best Secretary Silver Award for the year 2018-19 by the Rotary International District 3120, Golden Secretary Award for the Club 2018-19 by the Rotary International District 3120, Sylvia Whitlock Award for the Best Women Rotarian of the District by the Rotary International District 3120. After joining Rotary in the year 2015, Dr. Divya worked on various positions as the Director, Secretary, and President-elect. She is ready to take the responsibility as the President for the year 2020 to 21. So this was Divya. I think this was not a small introduction. And in this tenure of just 5 years as a Rotarian, she has achieved something which is beyond comparison. It is said that a body without head is worthless and head without a body stands baseless. So this was Divya and a skillful beauty, but we have somebody else who needs to be outshined. That is the true Divya. So today, moving on to from the president to the secretary, we have the club secretary 2020 as Abhishek Agarwal. It is said that a secretary is the right hand of the president, and a president with a secretary is a Kamal ka dhamaka, and this duo does flawless when intellect, style, and proficiency gets matched. Rotary Midtown dauntlessly looks forward for a great team of this president and secretary to be redressing the uncovered regime. And when I talk about the club secretary, Abhishek, I love to share the simpleton nature, life of rules, intelligent, composed, fun-loving, and a true friend. He loves to travel, speaks wonders, has a terrific sense of humor, and a family-loving soul. To add to his credentials, I would like to bring forward Abhishek has been a member of Rotary Midtown for the last 14 years and has been very closely involved from the very start. He has served as a treasurer on the committee in the past. He was born and raised in Allahabad. He went to NIT Jaipur for his higher education, where he specified in chemical engineering. He moved back to Allahabad after getting his degree and started a business under the banner KC Sales Automobile Agencies. He has been dealing in automotive batteries for more than 20 years, and now he is also an established name in the local hospitality industries with Casey's Banquet. His is a family strongly rooted in academics. His wife, Vandana, is a postgraduate in biochemistry, and together Abhishek and Vandana have raised two wonderful, beautiful daughters. The older one, Vasundhara, who is a computer science undergraduate at the University of Cambridge, and the younger one, Ananya, who is an avid musician and science enthusiast who just started high school. So, this was the duo which is going to head on to a Kamal Ka Dhamaka, and this leadership has been promoted by Kevin, who promotes that leadership is a process of social influence which maximizes the efforts of others towards achievement of goals. But this doesn't mean that we are going to just follow the leaders. These two, this team member, both the team members always promote two sorts of leadership: leadership from the front and leadership from the back. So over to the honorable installation ceremony that that needs to be played before we go forward with the club's proceedings. Passing on to the baton to every participant. Beautifully said. And just as Rotary opens the doors of opportunity, Divya and Abhishek are here to give us to share the baton and win the race. So over to Divya for your address, and a heartiest congratulations for the new team.
Thank you.
And it was a new experience to share this virtual installation ceremony. Congratulations, Divya. Congratulations,
Thank you.
Abhishek.
Thank you so
over to
much.
Divya for the welcome address. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Master of the Ceremony, Rotarian Amrita Agrawal ji. It gives me immense pleasure and proud privilege to welcome our today's chief guest, RI Director 2020-2021, Rotarian Dr. Bharat Pandya ji, and today's installation officer, the District Governor, Rotarian KK Srivastava ji. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation. We are really honored to have your gracious presence and blessings. I would like to welcome all the respected past district governors, assistant governors, presidents, secretaries, and all the Rotarians present in this installation ceremony of Rotary Allahabad Midtown. I'm really delighted to find each one of you here. Rotary opens opportunities. This is a theme of this year, and trust me, I'm overwhelmed because during this phase of pandemic, when there are uncertainties, complexities, and ambiguities all around at a global level, having entrusted upon to continue to work for the society actually becomes a kind of blessing in disguise. अब हवाएं ही करेंगी रोशनी का फैसला, अब हवाएं ही करेंगी रोशनी का फैसला, जिस दिए में जान होगी वो दिया रह जाएगा. तो हमें उसी दिए की तरह रह जाना है, आगे जलते जाना है, अखंड ज्योति की तरह अपने कार्य को संपन्न कराना है. I feel honored to be a proud Rotarian, to be a member of Rotary Allahabad Midtown, and also humbled to be the elected president for this year 2020-2021. I accept this gratitude and honor to take up the role and responsibility. ख्वाहिश नहीं है मुझे मशहूर होने की, आप मुझे पहचानते हो, बस इतना ही काफी है. With this motivation, dear members, I can assure you of my dedication and commitment towards Rotary services and ideals, not just because I am the president or because I am the Rotarian even, but it is just because I am a human being. I am aware of my true potential. I aim to blend my knowledge, my wisdom, talent, and skills with my passion of exploring the human potential and serving at all the levels of existence. कुछ कर गुजरने की तमन्ना रखते हैं, कुछ कर गुजरने की तमन्ना रखते हैं, आप सबसे सहयोग की अपेक्षा रखते हैं. Friends, Rotary starts with a fellowship. But when I joined Rotary in the year 2015, being unaware of the concept of fellowship, I had two major objectives. Only I had two major objectives while joining the club. First, social services, and the second, networking and friendship. Now, if we look at the current situation, we can see that social distancing has made us devoid of fellowship, but it has made us equipped with service attitude and leadership and also friendship. I welcome all the Rotarians to join hands, take advantage of this VUCA environment, nurture their creativity, imagination, and skills, and also contribute towards the happiness, peace, prosperity at all the four levels of existence. So when I talk about all the four levels of existence, that involves, it starts from self. जब तक हम अपने आप पर काम नहीं करेंगे, अपने आप में better understanding develop नहीं करेंगे, we cannot work for the family, for the society, and for the nature and existence even. This is not the time to give up, I must say. This is the time to accept the challenges and the opportunities. क्योंकि जीत की खातिर बस जुनून चाहिए, जिसमें उबाल हो ऐसा खून चाहिए. ये आसमान भी आएगा जमीन पर, बस इरादों में जीत की गूंज चाहिए. Today, this is our club's 41st installation, and it gives me a sense of gratification, satisfaction that I am a part of a club built on a foundation of committed membership and leadership. And I have been entrusted upon for this position to carry forward the club's legacy and also RI's legacy ahead. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate immediate past president Rotarian Yashwant Maheshwari ji and his team for a wonderful year. In our 41st year of club services, I envisage wide range of services, joint services, local, national, and international level projects with a major emphasis on positive health, water and sanitation, education and skill development, and of course, rural development, spread of peace and harmony, public image, and Rotary Foundation. According to our RI president, Hogla Nak, Rotary isn't just a club for people to join, but rather an invitation to endless opportunities. Everything we do opens opportunity for someone somewhere. In consonance with this vision, and also with the Rotary motto of service above the self, I shall endeavor to experience my service leadership in more innovative and creative manner. I'll do my best to lead the club through good need-based projects and activities with specific and measurable outcomes. This is my commitment. I thank my parents, my sons, and all my family members, especially the Rotary family, for being there with me throughout and for instilling in me the values that fit a Rotarian. With this, I would like to express my thanks to all the Rotary Allahabad Midtown team members for showing trust on me. Now, with two major agenda like intention and goal. Our intention is leveraging the skills of all the club members, and our goal is making this year a very successful year of connection and services. With these two motto, I would like to introduce my board, my team. So here I present a great team of board members. I request the organizing team. You can skip this. It starts from me, but you can skip this. So I would like to introduce, this is IPP, immediate past president, Rotarian Yashwant Maheshwari ji. Next. Then we have vice president, past president, Rotarian Ravi Talwar. We have club secretary, Rotarian Abhishek Agrawal. We have treasurer, past president, Rotarian Shrish Agrawal ji. We have joint secretary, dynamic Rotarian Saurabh Puri ji. We have our club trainer, very dynamic, leader of the Rotary Allahabad Midtown, past president, Rotarian Vinayak Tandon ji. Rotarian Madhu Agrawal, because we have tried to involve all the members, including the new members as well. So we have appointed Rotarian Madhu Agrawal ji as Sergeant at Arms. Then we have Assistant Sergeant at Arms, Rotarian Abhishek Ranjan Agrawal ji. We have Rotarian Amrita Agrawal ji as the Director of Club Administration. We have past President Rotarian Neeraj Mehrotra ji as the Joint Director, Club Administration. We have Rotarian Tarun Savla ji, the Director of Membership Committee. And next we have Joint Director, Membership Committee, past President Rotarian Sanskar Gupta ji. Next, please. We have past President Rotarian Neeraj Bhargav ji as the Director, Public Relations. We have Joint Director, Public Relations, Rotarian Neeraj Agrawal ji. You can see his photograph, so dynamic. We have Rotarian Sanjeev Jain ji as the Director of Service Projects. Joint Director Service Projects, past President Rotarian Gaurav Mohan ji. So you can see a blend of seniors and juniors. Yes, please. Next. We have past President Rotarian Abhishek Singh ji as the Director Club Services. We have Rotarian Vinay Goyal ji, Director Community Services. We have past President Rotarian Mahesh Singhania ji as the Director of Vocational Services. We have Rotarian Rohit Agrawal ji as the Director International Services. Then we have past President Rotarian Ravi Talwar ji as the Director New Generations. We have Rotarian Ankur Agrawal as the Rotary Foundation Director. Joint Director Rotarian Pankaj Jain ji, Rotary Foundation. We have the Advisory Board, which comprises of senior members, past district governors, and past presidents, past BDG Rotarian Satpal Gulati ji, past President Rotarian Rajiv Kumar Maheshwari ji. In the Advisory Board, we have PDG Rotarian Pradeep Mukherjee ji. Then we have Rotarian Ashish Agrawal ji, past President Rotarian Ashish Agrawal ji in the Advisory Board. Past President Rotarian Sanjay Gupta ji. Past President Rotarian Prem Prakash Agrawal ji. So you can see that we have tried our level best to include all the members who are ready to take the initiative, senior members as well as the junior members, and we have tried to identify their skills and interest as well. उम्र थका नहीं सकती, ठोकरें गिरा नहीं सकती, अगर जिद हो जीतने की तो परिस्थितियां हरा नहीं सकती. With these lines, I would like to thank and congratulate all the new board members for taking up such important positions in this year's leadership. The club members have shown their confidence in you and me by electing us to these positions. So we have to keep our confidence and motivation high in order to keep up their confidence and expectation fulfilled and to meet our club's goal. Now, moving ahead, I would like to request our chief guest, Dr. Bharat Pandya ji, to release our first volume of Club Bulletin Midtowner.
Friends, it's a great pleasure for me to announce the release of the Bulletin of Rotary Club of Allahabad Midtown, the Midtowner.
Thank you. Thank you. We have a new section, Rotarians of the Month here. We have covered few projects and upcoming events. So I would like to congratulate the chairman and editor of Club Bulletin, Rotarian Geetika Agrawal ji, who has completed this task in a very limited time frame so nicely with full commitment, giving final shape and beauty to our first issue. I must request Geetika ji to share her experience and tell us something about this issue just in 2 lines. I request Geetika ji if you are there. Geetika Agrawal. Is Geetika there? Okay, anyways, let us move ahead because we are short of time. And apart from that, apart from this bulletin, we have another accomplishment to cherish with all of you, because this is very important that whenever we find any beautiful moment, any moment of accomplishment, we should share with each other. So last night I got a mail for this month's issue of Rotary News, and I was very happy to find 2 pages article of our Rotary of our club, Rotary Allahabad Midtown. It was sent when Rotarian Shrish Agrawal ji had been the president and I was the secretary, but somehow it was not, it was there in the spam. So I would like to release this, I would like to show you the 2 pages section which is there in Rotary News. So this is our accomplishment, and I must congratulate all of you because transforming a slum, this was a very good project that we did in the year 2018-19, and we are continuing with that. मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी हमारे असिस्टेंट सार्जेंट एट आर्म्स रोटेरियन अभिषेक रंजन अग्रवाल जी का, जिन्होंने हेल्थ अवेयरनेस और पब्लिक इमेज इन 2 एरियाज को ध्यान में रखते हुए कार्स, ऑफिसेज और अन्य स्थानों के लिए 500 स्टिकर्स प्रिंट करवाए हैं. मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर के श्रीवास्तव जी से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वे स्टिकर को स्क्रीन पर रिलीज करें और अभिषेक रंजन जी के साथ साथ हम सभी का उत्साहवर्धन करें ताकि हम इस स्टिकर का यूज करें प्रॉपर. So you can speak 2 lines and then we will show you on the screen.
Thank you, Divya ji. I feel honored to release the stickers of Allahabad Midtown. It is a very good initiative taken by the club for the public image of the Rotary District 3120. Congratulations, Divya ji and team.
Thank you. Thank you. So this is the sticker that you can see. We have incorporated one statement like keep yourself and your family safe and healthy. So in that way, you will be using this sticker. You would not be throwing the sticker or you would not be neglecting the sticker. So I request all the members to use the sticker and we will get more prints. Thank you. Thank you so much. हमारी बौद्धिक क्षमता और सर्जनात्मकता यानी हमारी इंटेलेक्चुअल कैपेसिटी और क्रिएटिविटी जब हमारे व्यवहार में परिलक्षित होती है तो वो कला और कौशल कहलाती है. और यदि किसी भी क्षेत्र में कलात्मकता और कुशलता ना हो तो वो क्षेत्र बेजान सा प्रतीत होता है. हमारे क्लब में ऐसे कई लोग हैं जो अपनी प्रतिभा और क्षमता के माध्यम से हर क्षेत्र में जान डाल देते हैं. उनमें से एक हैं हमारे रोटेरियन सौरभ पुरी जी, जो आज नई टीम के मनोबल को बढ़ाने के लिए कुछ शॉर्ट में प्रस्तुत करेंगे. तो मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी सौरभ पुरी जी को.
Thank you, Divya ji.
Thank you.
I would like to congratulate the initiatives which you are taking, the stickers and all. It's really gonna uplift the image of Rotary Midtown in Allahabad. Coming on the motto which has been bestowed upon to me. वैसे तो a true Rotarian never needs to be motivated towards his mission of service. He is as it is self-motivated towards the cause. And what a fine Rotary year has passed by and a fabulous one to look up to. And since our star-studded new Rotary team has diligently accepted the authority, they are obliged to shoulder the responsibility of their team. These words might denote the journey of different stages of mind subconsciously travels while we interact with our fellow members throughout the past years. And in the years to come too, while working as a team with like-minded people of different cultures. So I would request you to enjoy these words with no biases. They go like these. जो कह दिया वह शब्द थे, जो नहीं कह सके वो अनुभूति थी, और जो कहना है मगर कह नहीं सकते वो मर्यादा है। जिंदगी का क्या है, आकर नहाया और नहाकर चल दिए। बात पर गौर कीजिएगा, पत्तों सी होती है कई रिश्तों की उम्र, आज हरे कल सूखे। क्यों ना हम जड़ों से रिश्ते निभाना सीखें। रिश्तों को निभाने के लिए कभी अंधा, कभी गूंगा और कभी बहरा होना पड़ता है। बरसात गिरी और कानों में इतना कह गई थी, गर्मी हमेशा कभी किसी की नहीं रहती। और रही बात नसीहत की, नसीहत नर्म लहजे में ही अच्छी लगती है, क्योंकि दस्तक का मकसद दरवाजा खुलवाना होता है, दरवाजा तोड़ना नहीं। घमंड किसी का भी नहीं रहा। टूटने से पहले गुल्लक को भी यही लगता था कि सारे पैसे उसी के हैं, और जिस बात पर कोई मुस्कुरा दे बस वही खूबसूरत है। थमती नहीं जिंदगी कभी किसी के बिना, मगर ये गुजरती भी नहीं अपनों के बिना। संयम, पेशेंस। संयम क्या है? संयम यह एक युद्ध है, अपने ही विरुद्ध है। यह एक युद्ध है, अपने ही विरुद्ध है। So friends, we have been here in Rotary and would always stay as a family. आपको शुभकामनाएं कि इस वर्ष आप हम सबको साथ ले चलने की बागडोर संभाल रहे हैं। हम सब आपके साथ हैं। प्रभु आपका कार्यकाल सार्थक बनाए। All the best and thank you for giving me a chance.
Thank you, Saurabh, Rotarian Saurabh Puri, for this inspirational and powerful work of from your heart. It actually knocked at the door of our feelings, and when you were reciting these words, it was almost that each and every word was truth in itself. Thank you so much for this beautiful composure. And moving on to the next inspirational program, that is of like we have amongst us our honorable chief guest, who is an inspirational dignitary, and a dignitary as respectable as a chief guest needs no less words, because the presence of him as a chief guest speaks the unsaid. But all said and done, it's always complete to witness his stepping stone to success story to be shared with us. And I take this opportunity of sharing the screen with Rotarian Neeraj Mehrotra to do the honors of sharing the success story of today's chief guest, Rotarian Dr. Bharat Pandya ji. Over to Neeraj Mehrotra.
Thanks, Amrita. I indeed feel honored to introduce to you all a soul so pure and a human being so humble, yet so charismatic. To him, success means being a good person and treating people well. And in his case, literally too, as he practices one of the noblest profession on earth, a doctor, a tall name by any standard, Dr. Bharat Pandya. As an only child, Dr. Pandya's role model was his father, who as a medical student was deeply influenced by Gandhiji. He worked very hard for his patients. And while giving every injection, he used to say, Jai Shri Krishna, invoking God's name. Not a God-fearing, but a God-believing man. He inspired his son to become a doctor too. Dr. Bharat Pandya, with his blessings, graduated from prestigious St. G.S. Medical College, KEM Hospital, Mumbai, and is practicing as general and laparoscopic surgeon since last 32 years. He is a fellow of International College of Surgeons and has been conferred fellowship by Association of Surgeons of India. A man of utmost and unchallengeable ideals and integrity unquestionable. Mr. Cool, as he is opined by friends close to him, he strongly believes injustice anywhere is injustice everywhere. He was a governor of District 3140 in 2006-07. During his year as DG, he contributed over $2 million to the Rotary Foundation for the first time in the history of TRF, an Indian District 3140 became #1 in TRF contributions in the entire Rotary world in 6-7. He has served Rotary at various levels and has adorned numerous posts of RI to reckon with. He is serving as Rotary International Director for 2019-21 and is presently also serving as RI Treasurer for 2021. Dr. Bharat and his equally talented wife, Dr. Madhvi, are committed to the Rotary Foundation and are level 3 major donors. He has been conferred citation of meritorious services and the Distinguished Service Award by the Rotary Foundation and the Rotary's highest award, Service Above Self. His better half opines, and I quote her, Dr. Pandya thinks ahead of his times. Although a man of few words, but with a million ideas and a perfectionist to the core. His 2 beautiful daughters opine about him that he is a perfect planner and an executioner as well, a dedicated Rotarian at heart with a never give up attitude and ability to remain calm even under pressure. And as I gather about him, he is also a voracious reader, a man of convictions, knowledgeable, humble, ethical, and yet a Rotarian par excellence. He believes, and I quote him in his own words, we all live under the same skies, but we don't have the same horizons. I believe that Rotary has continued to expand my horizons. Friends, each person's value is the thought that he holds. And Dr. Pandya firmly believes, and I once again quote him, Rotary has given me an opportunity to return even while I am earning. I have no hesitation in saying that I have got much more from Rotary than what I have given to it in terms of my attitude, outlook, and leadership skills. With these words, and along with a huge round of applause from the audience, I call upon Dr. Pandya to adorn the screen. The Midtown is all yours, sir. Please, may I hear you?
Thank you, Neeraj ji. Let me tell you, friends, that this was a very hatke introduction done by Rotarian Neeraj Mehrotra. And I know, Neeraj ji, that it required a lot of hard work and a lot of going back into Rotary News and other areas where you got all this information from. I am truly, truly humbled by so much effort that you have taken and such kind and nice words that you have said about me. Thank you very much for that kind and very generous introduction. Friends, it's a great pleasure to be here at Rotary Allahabad Midtown. And I must thank my good friend, my batchmate, past Governor Pradeep Mukherjee, for this opportunity to come and witness this excellent installation ceremony. A combination of little bit of in-person when the exchange of colors was done and a perfect combination of a virtual meeting, friends. It's excellent, the flow is excellent, everybody is playing their part in such a nice manner. And my fullest compliments to the whole team who has put together this show. And of course, my compliments to the Master of Ceremonies, Amrita ji, for leading this show. आपने जो माला इस शो को पहना दी है, पूरी तरह से अच्छी तरह से जो माला को पहना करके शो को रन कर रही है. My fullest compliments to you, Amrita ji, and all those people involved in this installation program. President of Allahabad Midtown, Dr. Divya Bartaria, Secretary Abhishek, immediate past President, Yashwant Maheshwari, outgoing Secretary Ashish, District Governor of 3120, Karunesh Srivastav, past District Governors, Pradeep Mukherjee, Satpal Gulati from Allahabad Midtown. I also saw past Governor VN Singh also there, other Rotary leaders of District 3120, past presidents of this club, Allahabad Midtown, and Rotary family of Allahabad Midtown. You know, Mahatma Gandhi always used to say, there is enough in this world for everyone's need, but there is not enough in this world for one man's greed. And only if everyone shares enough and cares enough, everyone can have enough. Neeraj ji, you will agree that if I have to capture the spirit of Rotary in 2 or 3 lines, I could not find better line than these, because these lines of Gandhiji capture the true spirit of Rotary, the spirit of caring, sharing, reaching out with a helping hand, the spirit of service above self, friends. And I'm very, very happy that that spirit of service above self, even in these challenging times, has been alive in Rotary Club of Allahabad Midtown. This COVID pandemic has taught us many lessons, but the most important lesson it has taught us is that the most important, अगर मनुष्य की सबसे बड़ी संपत्ति है तो वो है अच्छा स्वास्थ्य. Our most important possession is good health, because only if our health is good, everything can happen. If the health is not good, nothing can happen. And witnessing this ceremony, witnessing the good work which was done in 2019-2020, I can say with the fullest confidence that the health of Rotary Club of Allahabad Midtown was in excellent hands of the 2019-20 President Yashwant, the Secretary Ashish, and the whole team of 2019-20. What outstanding work was done in the year 2019-20. And it is not my intention to repeat all that which was done. You've seen that not only Yashwant did some outstanding work, but in such a nice melodious voice, he put together with that song, that whole video in which he did that outstanding work. So can we have the spotlight on Yashwant, please? Can I request the host to spotlight Yashwant there? So Yashwant, I think you can look back upon the year 2019-20 with a lot of satisfaction and contentment. A challenging situation tha, crisis ka situation tha, but you and Ankita put your best efforts into it, and you can look back with a lot of pride and satisfaction that you did your best. Many congratulations to you, Yashwant, to you, Ankita, for the great role you have played. You know, friends, it is not easy to be president of a Rotary Club. I always say this, that it requires a lot of hard work and efforts. Please keep the spotlight on them. It requires a lot of hard work and efforts, friends. But it requires one very, very important quality, and that quality is sacrifice. And that sacrifice comes, of course, from the president, but more importantly, it comes from the spouse of the president, friends. So I think, Ankita, thank you very much for the sacrifice that you gave. Yashwant ko aapne jo Allahabad Midtown ko de diya tha 19-20 ke saal mein. So congratulations to this wonderful couple for giving a great year to Allahabad Midtown. I'm not going to ask you to unmute, but let's give a big hand and clap to Yashwant and Ankita for the great leadership. And of course, Ashish, as a secretary, played his own part in this. So congratulations to you also, Ashish.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. मैं हमेशा मानता हूं कि अगर मैं मुश्किल में हूं और प्रार्थना का समय है तो मुझे जरूर से प्रार्थना करनी चाहिए. लेकिन अगर मैं प्रार्थना कर रहा हूं और कोई और मुश्किल में है तो मुझे अपनी प्रार्थना छोड़कर उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जरूरतमंद की मदद करना ईश्वर की सबसे अच्छी प्रार्थना है. और यही सोच रोटरी की रही है, और यही सोच पिछले 40 सालों से अलाहाबाद मिडटाउन की रही है. I am reminded of my favorite words of Isaac Newton. If I have seen farther than others, it is because I have stood on the shoulders of giants. It means that what he wants to say is that his scientific achievements were only possible because of the strong foundation laid by scientists of past years. And Yashwant, I'm sure you will be the first one to agree that whatever you could achieve in 2020 was only possible because of the strong foundation laid for the last 40 years in Allahabad Midtown, 39 years when you took over as president in Allahabad Midtown. And for that, the credit goes to all the past leaders, all the past presidents and the Rotarians of Allahabad Midtown who put their hard work and efforts. So my compliments to all the past presidents and the past leaders of Allahabad Midtown for making the club what it is. And I know Governor Karunesh Srivastava will agree with me when I say that Allahabad Midtown is of course the leading club of Allahabad, but not just the leading club of Allahabad, but a leading prestigious club of District 3120, friends. Of course, your club has produced two leaders, not just so many leaders at the club level, but two leaders who have gone beyond the club level at the district level and beyond the district level also. Of course, first one is Satpal Gulati, who was governor and gave an outstanding year to District 3120 5 to 6 years back. And the second one, of course, is my batchmate, my good friend, Pradeep Mukherjee, who is instrumental for my presence here today, friends. Let me tell you, Pradeep and I share a special relationship, as do Priya and Madhvi. And not only Pradeep is today well respected in your district, but Pradeep is well respected And so is Satpal, well respected across the zones 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this year, in the next 3 years, Pradeep is holding a very, very important responsibility of Rotary Coordinator for Zone 6, friends. So Pradeep, as a Rotary Coordinator, my best wishes to you. You should have a great 3 years of Rotary Coordinator, discharging your duties in the best possible manner. And I have the fullest confidence that you will do the best job which is required of a Rotary Coordinator. Congratulations.
Thank you, Bharat. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All the best. Friends, Queen Ahilyabai Holkar. Ahilyabai Holkar का सभी ने नाम सुना होगा. She became Queen of Indore when her husband died and then her young son died. It so happened that one Raghoba, who was the uncle of the Peshwa of Pune, came and camped on the banks of river Shipra, which was outside Indore, which is on which Indore is built, the Shipra river. He camped with an army of 50,000 people. Of course, his intention was very clear. He thought that this is a woman who is ruling this state. I will easily be able to defeat her and capture this state. But Queen Ahilyabai wrote to him a letter. She wrote to him that please remember that if you win this battle, it will not be considered a great victory. But please consider the consequences if you were to lose at the hand of the woman. This letter from Ahilyabai made Raghoba so nervous that he wrote back saying that he had not come to fight against or wage a battle against Indore, but he had come only to pay a condolence visit. Ahilyabai accepted his explanation, but she remarked to her ministers that it is surprising that a man has to come with an army of 50,000 to pay a condolence visit. It was Ahilyabai's commitment to the city of Indore, to her state of Indore. It was her competent. She was just an ordinary queen when her husband died and then her young son was put on the throne and then he died. But she made herself competent as a warrior, friends. And most important, it was her confidence in her own abilities and confidence in her people that won the day for Indore and saved the day for Indore, friends. You know where this is going. Can we have the spotlight on the President, Dr. Divya, please? After hearing Dr. Divya, you all will agree with me that Dr. Divya also has those 3 C's which are necessary for success. Commitment. It is commitment to do the right things, commitment to do the proper things in a proper way that translates a promise into reality. And Dr. Divya, I can see in you that you have that commitment which is required to be done for Rotary to do what it is and achieve what it can. Competence. She has been competent in her own field, but Rotary requires different sets of skills. And I know that Karunesh, you and your team have given her those sets of skills in your training programs at the PETS, at the assembly and other training programs. And she's now fully competent and charged up, geared up to give her best, discharging her duties as president of this Rotary Club. And of course, confidence, I don't see any reason that Dr. Divya doesn't have the confidence. Her commitment and competence give her the confidence to succeed. I always believe.
Thank you.
That if I don't, Dr. Divya, let me finish. I always think that if I believe I cannot do something, I will not be able to do it. But when I believe I can,
definitely,
I will acquire the ability to do it, even if I did not have that ability in the first place. And I can see in you, Dr. Divya, the I will and I can spirit. And I know that in the year 2021, you are going to provide outstanding leadership to Rotary Club of Allahabad Midtown. Remember, Swami Vivekananda always used to say, Pradeep, that a society can never progress until women are given an equal role in society. A bird can never fly on one wing. Dr. Divya, I am so glad that you are taking over as the lady president for Rotary Club of Allahabad Midtown. Karunesh, I always say that I am one of the proudest people as director, because director in 2 years, 19 to 21, in my own home club, Rotary Club of Borivali, from 1920 and 2021, we had 2 lady presidents leading my home club. So I am absolutely delighted today to be present here, Dr. Divya, at your installation. And my best wishes to you to have a great year of leadership and service in Allahabad Midtown. Have a great year of leadership and service, friends. You know, friends, this is the first time after 1st July that I am interacting and meeting with your governor, Karunesh Srivastava. And let me take this opportunity. Can we have the spotlight on Karunesh, please, on the governor? And let me take this opportunity, not just to wish him well, but let me take this opportunity to share with you, friends, that you are lucky and I am lucky. I have worked with Karunesh for the last 2 years in the governor's nominees program, then at an informal meeting of the governor election, then at the GETS, and then at the International Assembly. And I have found him that he is a committed and competent person, friends. And you are lucky because you have Karunesh Srivastava leading your district in the year 2021. And I am lucky because in my batch of 40 governors, Pradeep knows this, that we have zones 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 40 governors. In my batch of 40 governors, I have a very, very humble, unassuming, a very, very simple, but very, very effective person like Karunesh Srivastava as one of the 40 people in my batch of governors. Karunesh, I wish you to have a great year of leadership and service. This is a great, unique opportunity for you.
Yeah.
Seize this opportunity and do your best. My best wishes to you to have a great year of leadership and service.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Remember, Dr. Divya, the 3 most important pillars in Rotary. Of course, the 4 most important pillars. The first one is memberships. Rotary is need to look at Rotary with a different angle. I always say that Rotary is not a service organization. Rotary is a member organization. And the motto of members is service above self. हमें अपना नजरिया बदलने की जरूरत है. We have to focus on our members, and that is my request to you. Focus on your members. Focus on doing meaningful things which interest the members. Find out what your members want and deliver the value that the members want from Rotary. If you are able to deliver that value to your members, I tell you, membership growth and membership retention will not be a problem. I remember before this COVID crisis hit, couple of months back, I had been to a restaurant and ordered a cup of coffee. Waiter coffee लाया, मैं coffee पीने लगा और मुझे coffee कड़वी लगी. मैंने कहा, भैया ये coffee कड़वी है, आप चीनी डालना भूल गए हैं. उसने कहा, नहीं सर, चीनी डाली हुई है, आप अपनी coffee को हिलाना भूल गए हैं. I have put the sugar, but you have forgotten to stir your coffee. Remember, friends, sweetness in a cup of coffee does not come only from adding the sugar, it comes from the stirring. I hope you are getting what I am wanting to tell you, Dr. Divya, that you have to stir your members, keep them engaged, keep them assimilated, and then they will all go that extra mile to help you achieve all the goals and activities that you want to achieve in the year. So remember, if you keep them stirred and keep them engaged, membership growth, membership retention is not going to be a problem. The second pillar is, of course, public image. And who is the public image of Rotary in Allahabad Midtown and the community of Allahabad? It is you, Dr. Divya, as president of the club. You are the public image, the public face of Rotary to the Rotarians of. हम जब public image की बात करते हैं, तो people always say कि image of public to the of Rotary to the outside world. Of course, that is part of the public image. But equally important, public image is image of Rotary to our club members, and that is where your most important role to create a positive public image of Rotary. Rotary जो काम कर रही है to be the positive communication link between the district and your members, between the Rotary International and your members, and that is an important responsibility that I am putting on your shoulder, to be a positive communication link, create a positive public image, communicate that positive public image to your members. And of course, the third pillar is the Rotary Foundation. Helen Keller was blind. She was once asked, Miss Keller, is there anything worse than being blind? She said, yes, having sight but no vision. Friends, it is the Rotary Foundation which gives that forward-looking vision to Rotary to make our dreams of a better tomorrow. If Rotarians are the heart of Rotary, the foundation is the backbone of Rotary, friends, because much of the good work that we do in Rotary Foundation, in Rotary, is possible because of the grants and other activities of the Rotary Foundation. And therefore, on behalf of the board of directors, on behalf of the Governor Karunesh, and on behalf of your President Divya, this is my humble request to each and every one of you, friends, that each one of us has a duty to support our Rotary Foundation. And when I say support, my specific request is that all of us have a duty to support our polio fund, friends. Because polio is our sacred promise to the children of the world. हमने इनको promise किया है कि हम आपको polio free world की gift देंगे. अब बस थैंक you. Polio free world की gift देंगे, friends. And we have to keep our promise. So my request to all of you to please but please contribute. Whatever amount, I'm not putting any amount on there, but please contribute to the polio fund this year and every year, friends. Of course, nothing is possible. Dr. Divya will be the first one to agree that nothing is possible by her alone. It is ultimately the effort of a team which makes things happen. And the team does not, of course, comprise only the president and secretary, because that, of course, that is an important part of the team. Team does not just comprise of जो board Divya ji ne introduce किया. It's not just those people, but the whole family of Allahabad Midtown is part of the team. And my request to all of you that let us put our support solidly behind Dr. Divya, because this is a challenging situation, challenging times. The way we are meeting, the way we interact, the way we travel, the way we do service projects, everything is changing and will keep on changing over the next few months. And therefore, the president and the secretary require all the support that we can give. And that is my humble request and responsibility I am putting on each and every member of the Rotary family, friends. And of course, service activities. What can I say about service activities to Allahabad Midtown? वो सूरज को दिया दिखलाने जैसा है. I don't want to say that, but one of the things that I definitely want your club to do is the project Positive Health. मैं इसके बारे में अभी ज्यादा तो बात नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन करुणेश, आप और अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो प्रोजेक्ट पॉजिटिव हेल्थ के चेयर है, आप डेफिनेटली प्रेसिडेंट के साथ शेयर करिए, इलाहाबाद मिडटाउन के साथ शेयर करने की बोलिए उनका. द प्रोजेक्ट पॉजिटिव हेल्थ, द टैगलाइन इसका जो आपको शायद सुना होगा डॉक्टर दिव्या, 1 चम्मच कम 4 कदम आगे, जो हमारा टैगलाइन है, 1 चम्मच कम सॉल्ट, ऑयल और शुगर, और 4 कदम आगे, यानी हर एक को हमें 30 मिनट्स ऑफ एक्सरसाइज या योगा करना है. बिकॉज दिस प्रोजेक्ट पॉजिटिव हेल्थ इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. ये कोविड क्राइसिस ने हमें दिखाया दिया है कि अगर जो लोग जिसको डायबिटीज है, हार्ट प्रॉब्लम से, किडनी प्रॉब्लम से, स्ट्रोक से, लंग प्रॉब्लम से, इनको ये वायरस ज्यादा इफेक्ट करता है, वो ज्यादा सीरियसली बीमार होते हैं, वो हॉस्पिटल्स में जाते हैं, आईसीयू और वेंटिलेटर में जाते हैं, और डेथ रेट इन पीपल विद दीज डिजीजेस इज मच मोर. एंड दिस प्रोजेक्ट पॉजिटिव हेल्थ इज नथिंग बट ट्राइंग टू रिड्यूस द बर्डन ऑफ दिस डिजीज. सो रिमेंबर दिस स्लोगन, 1 चम्मच कम 4 कदम आगे. I know that in the year 2021, you with your leadership, Dr. Divya, are going to provide great leadership to the club. The torch of leadership and service is in your hands. And it is your turn to write a new chapter in the history of your club. Hold the torch little higher. Make it burn little bit brighter before you pass it on to the next generation of leaders. Make that chapter, 2021 chapter, a good chapter in the history of Allahabad Midtown. My compliments to Dr. Divya and her team. My congratulations to all the Rotarians of Allahabad Midtown. Thank you, Pradeep, once more for this opportunity. Rotary is opening unique and different opportunities to each and every one of us. Seize these opportunities. Do your best. Have a great year of leadership and service. Thank you very much, please.
Thank you, Bharat. Thank you. It was my real dream to call you in Midtown. But ठीक है, but actually I got you. That is important.
So Pradeep, you will have to, and Divya ji, you will have to, and Karunesh, you will have to excuse me because the next installation is starting at 6:30.
Yes, yes.
Already started. They are already trying to phone me again also. So Karunesh,
I know.
You will have to look after the program, okay. Rest of the program, Karunesh, please.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sure. Thank you, Divya ji, for the opportunity.
Thank you.
And all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bharat.
Thank you, all friends.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Indeed, it was a mesmerizing piece of great words from our chief guest today. Each and every word was speaking a lot about him, because what he was possessing, he was speaking. Like the beautiful parables, the beautiful anecdotes, the beautiful connections of the past history, Ahilyabai character, and how beautifully he has connected with the character of Divya. What Rotary promotes, everything was worth hearing. And I think we have earned today's installation ceremony by our wonderful chief guest today. Thank you. Maybe our chief guest is not here as a part of us, but on behalf of the Rotarians, we extend heartfelt gratitude for his presence today for this installation ceremony, because his action words were really meaningfully accelerating us towards our goal. So once again, thank you so much, and congratulations, Divya, how beautifully he has placed the three words of compassion, competence, and all these two combining to give you optimum confidence. It was wonderfully articulated, wonderfully that everybody has, everybody is under the same sky, but everybody creates their own horizon. Wonderfully crafted, beautifully articulated, and it has really sensitized us today in this installation ceremony beautifully. So moving on now to our next dignitary that and who is present amongst us is Rotarian Dr. K.K. Srivastav, District Governor. And to do the honors of sharing his success story, I request Rotarian Saurabh Puri again to share the screen and take the ceremony forward.
Thank you so much, Abhi, for the MOC of today's evening. Again, a very Herculean task given to me, introducing the District Governor, Rotarian Karnesh Kumar Srivastav ji. To begin with, एक छोटी सी पंक्ति है कि बड़ा काम कैसे होता है, क्योंकि हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर साहब की बात करें तो कुछ बड़ा काम करके वो वहां पहुंचे हैं, तो उनके विषय में बड़ा काम कैसे होता है। लक्ष्य बड़ा हो, बड़ी तपस्या, सबसे पहले लक्ष्य बड़ा लिया, बड़ी तपस्या, मृदुभाषी, लक्ष्य बड़ा हो, बड़ी तपस्या, मृदुभाषी, किंतु अहम छोटा हो, जिससे मिले सहज सहयोगी, दोष हमारा, श्रेय राम का, यही प्रवृत्ति कल्याणी। और ऐसे ही कर्म योद्धा और मृदुभाषी हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर साहब कर्णेश कुमार श्रीवास्तव जी के विषय में मैं छोटा सा एक परिचय देना जा रहा हूं। Sir, he was born on 6th of 1960 and joined Rotary on 10th of July 2006 while working as an ambassador in renowned Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow. Since then, he has served various offices in club as a club treasurer, secretary, club president in 2013-14, director and chairman of different committees, chairman of Rotrack Club in 2016-17. During his presidentship in 2013 and 14, he was the first to install Inner Wheel Club of Barabanki. He also installed Rotrack Club, Interact Club, and Rotary Community Corps Club of Barabanki. During his presidentship, under his excellent guidance, Rotary Club of Barabanki was conferred with many awards and accolades to his credit, which include Best President Award, Best Secretary Award, Best Club Award, Best Public Image Award, Best in Literacy Award, Best in Community Service, Best in Vocational Service Award, Outstanding Award, and in Permanent Projects, and Outstanding Award in New Generation. He's a proud achiever of various certificates, which include RI Presidential Citations for Blood Donation, Membership Development, District Governor Citation, Appreciation for Polio Day Celebration, Rotary Foundation District Service Award, Presidential Citation with Distinction, and he received sponsorship pins and certificates. At district level, he has held various offices, namely Advisor to the District Governor in 2013-14, RDC Polio Plus in 2013-14, Coordinator of Public Relations in 2013-14, Assistant Governor in 2014-15, Co-Counselor of Vocation Services in 2015-16, and Chairman of RCC in 2016-17. There's a long list of various awards to his credit at district levels too. Apart from awards on Rotary platform, he has also been felicitated by Akhil Bharatiya Udyog Vyapar Mandal Barabanki, and also honored by the Honorable District Judge of the Barabanki for his social services project in 2012. He has received Kidney Care Award from SGPG IMS in 2001. He has a Lifetime Achievement Award to his credit from Indian Institute of Materials Management and Best Member Award of IIMM. He's also involved in other associations as Life Member of Indian Institute of Materials Management and Advisor of IIMM Raebareli. He has adopted 5 children of Barabanki under revised National Tuberculosis Education Program in August 2019. In a project of Governor of UP, Mrs. Anandi Ben Patel ji, and has followed them to watch their complete treatment along with their proper nutritional care. In addition to his above mentioned qualities, he's fond of singing, music, traveling, cricket, and badminton. He has his best hand on. He is happily married to Mrs. Kanchan Srivastav ji and is blessed with 2 sons, Mr. Kashish Krishna ji, working as Deputy Project Manager in a multinational company, the Deloitte in Gurgaon, and Divya Krishna ji, who is pursuing BSc Honours in Physics. our Rotary Club of Allahabad Midtown, with a huge round of applause. So welcome you in our installation ceremony, and we are proud to have you as an installing officer in our club. Thank you, sir. Welcome.
थैंक यू सौरभ जी, इतनी डिटेल से पहले जो आपने 4 लाइन कही वो बहुत अच्छी थी. एंड थैंक यू अमृता जी, डूइंग एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी जॉब एज ए एमओसी, रियली. प्रेसिडेंट, डायनेमिक प्रेसिडेंट एज पर भरत पांड्या, डॉक्टर चीफ गेस्ट डॉक्टर दिव्या भरतारिया, सेक्रेटरी अभिषेक जी, इमीडिएट पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट यशवंत माहेश्वरी जी, immediate past secretary Ashish ji, Rotary coordinator and my elder brother and my guide is sitting here, Pradeep bhaiya and Devpriya bhabhi, Satpal bhaiya and Poonam bhabhi, Dr. VN Singh sir and Kiran bhabhi, assistant governors Amitabh ji, Prakash ji and Amit Ahuja ji is still here. My district secretary Dr. Sudhir Verma ji and Deepak Asthana ji is there. Respected Rotarians, honorable guests and ladies. मैं क्या कहूं, प्रदीप भैया का और सतपाल भैया का क्लब 118 मेंबर अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट में तीसरे नंबर पे, वाराणसी सेंट्रल, देन गोरखपुर एंड आफ्टर देन लखनऊ में इलाहाबाद मिड-टाउन. Really remarkable membership of the Allahabad Midtown, and I think it is going to be a 151 figure after 29th June, we can say on the 30th June. Pradeep, I'm not wrong actually on this actually. 151 is a magic figure, and मुझे विश्वास है कि दिव्या जी के उसमें हम लोग 151 टच करेंगे इलाहाबाद मिड-टाउन. First of all, I congratulate to immediate past President Rotarian Yashwant Maheshwari ji and his team for their extraordinary work last year for service the community in all avenues. You had completed the all avenues and almost all the areas of focus. 7th areas focus are now introduced the supporting the environment, but you have done the tree plantations. So I can say the all avenues of focus. Congratulations. Now coming to this year, as per Dr. Bharat Pandya, Dr. Divya, no words for you actually. 2021, a very good start by the dynamic president, Divya ji, and you are going to become my star president. और मैं विश करूंगा कि आप मेरे स्टार प्रेसिडेंट हो. डॉक्टर भरत ने भी बोला इस चीज को, जो आपने अभी शुरुआत करी है वो रियली बहुत जबरदस्त शुरुआत है, और इलाहाबाद मिड-टाउन का जो इतिहास है उसको देखते हुए इस पैंडेमिक 19 की पोजीशन में बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. और जिस अभी आपने ग्लोबल ग्रांट भी सबमिट करा है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि बहुत जल्दी वो शायद अप्रूव भी होगा. तो इलाहाबाद मिड-टाउन के बारे में बहुत कुछ नहीं कह सकते हैं, बस यही कह सकते हैं कि आने वाले समय में नए रिकॉर्ड्स बनाएगा, क्योंकि प्रदीप भैया बैठे हैं, सतपाल भैया बैठे हैं. तो मेंबरशिप पे तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा, विमेन मेंबरशिप पे हम लोगों को काम करना ही है, यंग जनरेशन पे हमको काम करना ही है. जहां तक बात आती है पब्लिक इमेज पे, अभी आपने स्टिकर निकाला है, कुछ बैनर्स भी डिजाइन जरूर करिए. कोविड-19 से रिलेटेड जो अवेयरनेस कैंप्स हैं हमारे, उसके लिए. होर्डिंग्स के लिए जरूर मैं कहूंगा कि कुछ होर्डिंग्स और कुछ बैनर्स इस तरह से शहर में हों कि लोगों को लगे कि रोटरी क्लब है. देवप्रिया भाभी बैठी हैं, जब रॉयल्स में भी हम गए थे तो हमने भी बोला था कि इस तरह के
भाई, सॉरी फॉर द इंटरप्शन,
सर
एक आप डिस्ट्रिक्ट की तरफ से एक बैनर स्पेसिफिक कर दीजिए. सारे क्लब्स वो बनाएं, तो आई थिंक दैट विल गिव अ बेटर लुक.
मैंने एक डिजाइन करवाया है, मैंने स्तुति भाभी को भेजा है, बिकॉज शी इज द आरपिक, पब्लिक इमेज का चार्ज उन्हीं के पास में है, तो मैंने अप्रूवल के लिए उनके पास भेजा है. अगर वो हो जाता है तो सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट को उस तरह के बैनर्स हैं, नहीं तो मैं उसकी सीडीआर फाइल्स भेज दूंगा. सीडीआर फाइल भी है. जी जी, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट का पब्लिक इमेज का एक बैनर हो. और अभी अनिरुद्धा ने मांगा भी है हमसे कि आप पब्लिक इमेज का कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट इस तरह का हो तो हमको भेजिए आप, तो वो हमें भेजना भी है, तो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली विद इन अ वीक ये काम हम पूरा कर लेंगे इसको।
थैंक यू।
जी सर। जहाँ तक मेंबरशिप की बात है प्रदीप भैया, मैंने पहले भी बोला है कि इस बार मेंबरशिप पे कुछ अवार्ड्स हैं प्रपोजर के लिए। खासकर आपने अभी हमारे उसमें देखा होगा कि जब तक हम थे उस समय प्रेसिडेंट, तो भैया आरआई से एक पिन आया करती थी जो मेंबर्स प्रपोज करते थे। अब शायद वो नहीं आ रही है, तो मैंने इसको डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे रख लिया है कि जो भी मेंबर प्रपोज करेगा उसको एक पिन है, और जो भी अगर 5 मेंबर प्रपोज करेगा ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, तो उसको एक स्पेशल अवार्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट की तरफ से, जो कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस में उसको दिया जाएगा। क्योंकि फर्स्ट टारगेट मेंबरशिप है, जितना मेंबरशिप बढ़ेगी उतना ही हम ग्रो करेंगे। और हॉलगर के हिसाब से ग्रो रोटरी का बेसिक प्रिंसिपल मेंबरशिप एक्सटेंशन है। बाय एडिंग द न्यू जनरेशन एंड बाय एडिंग द वीमेन मेंबरशिप हमें बढ़ाना ही बढ़ाना है। तो हम तो दिव्या जी से वैसे एक टारगेट लेके चलेंगे, बिकॉज वी आर शिफ्टिंग टू 101 फ्रॉम 100। सेंटिनियल ईयर खत्म हो रहा है, 101 इज अ वेरी लकी नंबर, एंड 101 के बाद जो लकी नंबर आता है 151, बिकॉज यू आर 118। तो हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि आप इस साल 151 की फिगर को टच करेंगे। और हमें तो उम्मीद बहुत ज्यादा लग रही है कि अगर आप नंबर 1 क्लब हो जाए मेंबरशिप में तो कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं होगी। प्रदीप भैया, हम लोग कर सकते हैं कोशिश इलाहाबाद मिड टाउन के लिए, क्योंकि
कर सकते नहीं, करेंगे।
जी 174 अभी टॉप लेवल पे है वाराणसी सेंट्रल, और 122 है हमारा गोरखपुर। तो 122 तो मुझे लग रहा है दिव्या जी अभी इसी महीने क्रॉस करेंगी, जो कि उम्मीद दिखाई दे रही है। तो कोशिश रहेगी कि 151 और 175 कर दें तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा। एक जो बात अभी बोली टीआरएफ के लिए, रोटरी फाउंडेशन के लिए, अभी चूंकि बोल गए हैं हमारे डॉक्टर साहब, तो उसके लिए एक स्कीम और भी है कि जो $100 और $200 देगा उसके लिए भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट की तरफ से पिन है। पहले $500 पीएचएफ और एमपीएचएफ और मेजर डोनर के लिए पिन्स आती थी, बट इस बार डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जो $100 डोनेट करेगा या $200 डोनेट करेगा उसके लिए भी पिन्स का है, और उनको ऑनर किया जाएगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान। हम कोशिश करेंगे कि अभी जो पैंडेमिक 19 चल रहा है हमारा, ये जल्दी से जल्दी खत्म हो, क्योंकि अगस्त में मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली है कि डाउनफॉल जाएगा इसका। हमने जो भी प्रोग्राम्स रखे हैं वो सितंबर से रखे हैं फिजिकल, और उम्मीद है कि हम सितंबर से फिजिकल प्रोग्राम्स करेंगे, इंटरसिटीज करेंगे। और अपना डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस भी हमने इसीलिए मार्च में शिफ्ट कर दिया है। 5, 6 एंड 7 ऑफ मार्च हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस है, वो लखनऊ में ही है। तो उसमें ये सारे अवार्ड्स हम देंगे, चाहे वो ग्रांट के हों जो भी, और चाहे वो मेंबरशिप डेवलपमेंट के हों। पब्लिक इमेज पे भी कुछ ना कुछ हम जरूर करेंगे, जैसे कि प्रदीप भैया से बात हुई बैनर की। इसके अलावा वेलकम बोर्ड्स का भी हम सोच रहे हैं भैया कि एक डिजाइन बनवा दें। वेलकम बोर्ड का जो डिजाइन हो, अगर वो सारा डिजाइन एक पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में लगा रहेगा तो इसका एक प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छा जाएगा। और वो अगर राउंड सर्किल का वेलकम बोर्ड होता है तो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा। प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरी का नंबर लिखा रहे, कोई भी बाहर का रोटेरियन आता है, अगर वो बोर्ड मिल जाता है उसको तो वो जानता है कि रोटरी है यहाँ पे और वो कांटेक्ट कर सकता है। बहुत से लोग हैं सोचते हैं कि हम कहाँ पे किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ज्वाइन करें, तो ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिशियल होगा अगर वो बोर्ड्स हमारे हर सिटी के एंट्री पे मिल जाए, हाईवेज के ऊपर। जहां तक वाटर एंड सैनिटेशन में है, वो हमने बोला है, अभी हमारी बात चल रही वॉश इन स्कूल्स के लिए, कि जो भी हमारे सेंटर्स हैं उसमें हम वो अपना प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हैं। बात चल रही है, अगर वो तैयार हो जाता है तो वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट की तरफ से हम सारे क्लब्स को सारे स्कूल में लगाने के लिए वॉशिंग स्टेशंस प्रोवाइड करेंगे उसको। आरसीसी जरूर हम बार बार बोल रहे हैं, रोटरी कम्युनिटी कॉर्प्स, मैंने बोला था बाराबंकी में एंड रायबरेली में भी, ये बहुत हेल्प मिलती है आरसीसी से। लोकल एनजीओज होते हैं वो, उनको आप आरसीसी बना सकते हैं। बहुत से प्रोजेक्ट हैं जो कि आरसीसी कर ले जाते हैं, अगर रोटरी के साथ मिल जाते हैं तो हम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के साथ मिलकर वो प्रोजेक्ट अपने प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हैं। इसलिए एक आरसीसी जरूर बनाएं, अगर नहीं है तो कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है, कर सकते हैं। एक वोकेशनल सेंटर जो कि इलाहाबाद में टाउन से, तो उम्मीद है कि होगा भी, अगर नहीं है तो एक वोकेशनल सेंटर जरूर डालिएगा। तो इसके प्रोडक्ट की बात चल रही है, हम गवर्नमेंट में बात कर रहे हैं। अगर वो हमारी सक्सेसफुल हो गई तो इनके जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, जो कि पुअर लेडीज हैं या जो मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हैं, इनकी एक सेल हम जरूर लगवाएंगे कि जो इनसे, हाँ यस दिव्या जी, दिव्या जी को अनम्यूट करिए। हाँ
एक्चुअली एक जो ग्लोबल ग्रांट हम लोग ने सबमिट किया था उसके साथ ही साथ एक स्किल डेवलपमेंट या वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग के लिए भी एक
जी
प्रोजेक्ट तैयार है, ऑलमोस्ट रेडी है। तो अगर आप लोगों के थ्रू गाइडलाइंस मिल जाएंगी कि अगर कुछ स्पेशल प्रोडक्ट्स हो अवेलेबल हो तो हम लोग उसके अकॉर्डिंगली उसको रिफाइन कर लेंगे।
वो जैसे ही कोविड का थोड़ा सा असर हल्का होता है और लोग फ्री होते हैं तो बात करके वो हमारे टारगेट में एक्चुअली वोकेशनल सेंटर,
राइट,
क्योंकि वो आया था, ये ऑफर आया था कहीं से हमारे पास दूसरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट से, तो वो अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट में उसको इम्प्लीमेंट हम कराएंगे। वो गवर्नमेंट के साथ में करेंगे, यूपी गवर्नमेंट के साथ में, और वो बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है।
ठीक है।
बाकी आप कर ही रहे हैं, मेडिकल अवेयरनेस में कर ही रहे हैं। प्रोजेक्ट पॉजिटिव हेल्थ के बारे में डॉक्टर भरत पांड्या ने बता ही दिया, क्यूरेटिव एंड प्रिवेंटिव है। प्रिवेंटिव में जो प्रोजेक्ट पॉजिटिव हेल्थ है, हमें जो कैंप कर रहे हैं वो 3-4 चीजें मस्ट हैं, उसमें होनी चाहिए। और वो जो टारगेट है, 1 चम्मच कम 4 कदम आगे, इसका बैनर भी है, और वो बैनर भी हम सारे उसमें भेज देंगे। और एक हमने पोडियम का भी बैनर डिस्ट्रिक्ट की तरफ से बनवाया है कि पोडियम पे आपको बैनर की जरूरत नहीं है, वो हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट से प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, वो हमने बनवा लिया है, आ गया हमारे पास, बनारस जा चुका है, इलाहाबाद भी एक सेंटर पे हम भेज देंगे, आप सबको मिल जाएगा। वो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि विद इन ए वीक आपको सारे पोडियम के बैनर्स आपको मिल जाए। ये प्रोग्राम्स तो अभी हैं, आगे जैसे जैसे भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिलेंगे, प्रदीप भैया ही हैं, हमें जो भी डायरेक्शंस मिलते हैं, जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन मिलते हैं, वो हम आपको फॉलो बताते जाएंगे। और दिव्या जी, बहुत उम्मीद है आपसे। आज भरत पांड्या सर भी बहुत उम्मीद करके गए हैं कि हमको अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट का 3120 का नाम ऊपर करना है। इलाहाबाद मिड टाउन ऊपर होगा तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3120 भी ऊपर जाएगा, और ये हो ही नहीं सकता कि ना हो, क्योंकि 2-2 स्तंभ हैं आपको सपोर्ट करने के लिए। डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हम हैं, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ कि कभी भी कोई दिक्कत हो, हम बैठे हुए हैं, हमारे एजीज हैं, हमारे प्रकाश जी आपके पास में हैं, अमिताभ जी हैं, कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो इनके थ्रू, नहीं तो आप डायरेक्ट भी बात कर सकते हैं। और वैसे आपको प्रॉब्लम कम होगी क्योंकि प्रदीप भैया और सतपाल भैया हैं वहाँ पे, तो इसलिए उतनी दिक्कतें नहीं होगी, क्योंकि काफी हमसे ज्यादा जानकारी बहुत ज्यादा है, हम भी इन्हीं से सीखते हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। और मेरी एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं कि 2021-101 ये जो फिगर आ रही है 100 के बाद, बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल ईयर इलाहाबाद मिड टाउन का होगा। इसी के लिए मैं अपना वक्तव्य समाप्त करता हूं, और बहुत बहुत बधाइयां, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू,
थैंक यू गणेश, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू भैया।
Thank you, sir, for your humble and modest words, and like hearing appreciative words about each and every member on the screen. And a special thanks from my part for acknowledging my efforts.
No, extraordinary job you are done.
Thank you so much. And indeed, you have really placed a big confidence on all of us team members. And 2 strong pillars are there, infusing us a lot of confidence, courage to go forward with all our dreams and set benchmarks. And
I hope so.
Divya and Abhishek are lucky to have such strong pillars as a supporting factor in their tenure. And this transitional phase of COVID-19 has really sensitized and brought about a tremendous resilience in all of us. And we are all set, ready, go for a new start. And let's all wish Divya and Abhishek a very good start. And the good luck is all seen today by the presence of our chief guest and a guest of honor, who by the inspiring words have really instilled a lot of confidence. And of course, a great sense of responsibility is showering on all of us. And we hope so that with the great teamwork and actions put into real actions, and we create paths which leaves our signatures and leave a trail behind. Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. And thank you so much. And before I sign off from my responsibility of the Master of Ceremony, I would like to share the screen to Rotarian Vinayak Tandon. He has been a prolific orator, a wonderful person, and a confident speaker. And when I joined Rotary, I used to look upon him whenever he used to hold the podium. And thank you so much before I sign off, and for listening to me. And I think I have earned by the appreciation of our chief guest and guest of honor. Thank you so much. And over to Rotarian Vinayak Tandon to do the honors of the vote of thanks as a formal part of the club installation meeting. Thank you so much.
Amrita ji, Secretary would like to do some announcements.
Okay.
Yeah. And then vote of thanks.
Sorry, I missed that. Sorry.
Yeah. Just 2 lines. He would like to do the announcements. Yes.
Thank you, Divyaji, for reminding. Upcoming events in the month of July. Blood donation and tree plantation on the 24th of July at United Medicity. A webinar has been planned on mind management mantras by Ms. Ramya Srinivasan on the 31st of July. Upcoming birthdays in this month of Rotarian Vineet Agarwal. It's on the 20th of July, that's tomorrow. And Dr. Indrajit Pariyar, that is on the 21st of July. I wish them both a very, very happy birthday. Over to Vinayak Bhaiya.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you, Abhishek.
I missed your agenda. Over to Rotarian.
Thank you, Amrita. Thank you, Amrita. You've been an excellent anchor, excellent moderator as always. And you kind of give me a huge inferiority complex with the kind of flair that you have while conducting these meetings with so much of ease, so effortlessly, such a flair. And Saurabh Puri, I don't know whether you're there or not, whether you're logged in, but today you just can't blame me for being in awe of you and being after your life to become the president of Rotary Allahabad Midtown as soon as possible. Friends, as everybody feels and everybody says, these are very challenging and very difficult times. I've been a Rotarian for over 32 years now, have been witness to many installation ceremonies, but never in my life could I have, or for that matter, anybody else here in this gathering could have imagined the world shuttered the way it is, and all of us connecting, all of us connecting in practically every sphere of our life, either on the digital platform or in a virtual mode, without that warm handshake and without that warm hug. Friends, this too shall pass. But for the technology, and of course, thanks to all the constant technological innovations, I wonder how this world would have survived this pandemic and the times that we are in. Dr. Bharat S. Pandya, Rotary International Director and our Chief Guest for the evening. I would really like to thank him for being with us this evening. I would have wanted to convey to him that the value systems that individuals and people of his stature share with us are actually priceless. Our District Governor, Rotarian K.K. Srivastav, thank you, sir, for all your time and support. All our PDGs, all our AGs, all our district officers, presidents and secretaries of other clubs, other guests, Rotary Allahabad Midtown gratefully acknowledges your presence with love and gratitude. And finally, the organizing committee of Rotary Allahabad Midtown for having put together this virtual meet so perfectly and so seamlessly. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vinayak. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pradeep. Thank you.
Pradeep ji, आप कुछ end में
Saurabh,
कहना
thank you for being there.
प्रदीप जी कुछ कहना चाहेंगे एंड में?
नहीं, best wonderful installation ceremony,
Right.
and whatever Bharat had to say, Bharat has said, and I look forward to you, Divya, because being the member of this club, I didn't want to talk as RC, but my job is a very big job, as Bharat has already told. Yesterday also we had a very big meeting with RI President-elect and Bharat and Kamal and all the RCs. So membership is the main target, the main motto of this year. So each one has to think. So please, Divya, look into this angle, and I know you will do it. You will do it.
Definitely.
Have a wonderful year and a successful year. I know it will be a memorable year for Allahabad Midtown.
I hope so. I'll do my level
Thank
best.
you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. K.K. Srivastav
Thank
ji.
you. Thank you.
Thank you for accepting. The meeting is adjourned. The meeting
Thank you. Pradeep, namaskar.
Namaskar. Namaskar.
Namaskar. Namaskar.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.